Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you're going to find further stylish yet rugged features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 21-inch 5-split spoke gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, as well as on the left you'll find easy to access controls for electronically deployable tow bar and your suspension. Rear passengers are certainly going to be impressed with their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, with your own climate control systems which you can tailor to their own individual preferences, and USB ports for compatible devices. Within the cockpit you will find your 20-way heated electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Glancing over now at your fully heated leather steering wheel and your 11.4-inch PV Pro touchscreen. To finalise our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. Thank you for watching. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. Thank you for watching. We cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.